Hello, how are you, sweeties? I hope that you are all fine. Today is Tuesday, 23rd of February 2021. Today, inshallah, ya Talit, we will continue with our grammar lesson in your pupils book on page 60 about was and where. Yesterday, we talked about was and where in simple past. طبعا حكينا هدول بيكونوا بحالة الماضي، وإذا كانت نيجاتيف منفي بدها تكون wasn't أو weren't. اللي أخذناه امبارح إذا كان عندي sentence جمل like there were two boys in the shop, there was one drum in the window. These are sentences. Now today we will learn about was and where in a question. How you can form a question by using was and where. كيف بدي أكون سؤال باستخدام was or where. Let's start. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now I will read these three questions for you. Okay. Number one, were there cats in the street? This is a question. Number two, was there a terrible storm last night? Number three, were there tramps in the shop? Now, if you notice here, you have three questions. And if you notice here, we start our questions with where or was. هون امبارح كان عندي sentence جملة تبلش there was أو there were. Now today, because I have a question, بدي أعكس. تمام يا حلوين؟ You should start either with was or were according to the subject. بده يكون حسب الفاعل. If the subject is singular مفرد, so you should start with was. But if the subject is plural, so you should start with were. If you look at example number one, were there cats in the street? Now here the subject الفاعل عندي جمع cats. عشان هيك بإيش بلش سؤالي؟ where. If you look at the second question, was there a terrible storm? Now a terrible storm مفرد عاصفة، فعشان هيك بلش سؤالي ب was. If you look at the third question, were there tramps? Tramps عندي subject جمع plural، عشان هيك بلش سؤالي ب where. إذا if you notice, you should start the question by was or where. بدي أكون سؤال، إذا ببدأ ب was أو where. بعكس الجملة there was أو there were. هلأ بالquestion بالسؤال was or where, then you put there. Okay, then you put the subject الفاعل اللي أنت بدك تسألي عنه، سواء كان singular مفرد or plural. Okay, طبعا this kind of a question is yes or no question. إذا الانسر جوابي بده يكون إما yes أو no. خليني أوضح لكم أكثر بالتدريب اللي أنا راح أعطيكم إياه here. Ask and answer carefully. Ask اسأل، answer أجب. Okay, you have two examples. If you look at number one here you have a picture of bird عصفور, so مفرد singular. On the tree بدك تكوني سؤال على العصفور إنه موجود على الشجرة، جوابك بده يكون tick. هلأ بما إنه عندي tick، التك شو معناها؟ yes. أوكي، لأني أنا مش معطيتك picture إنه موجود ولا مش موجود. أوكي، هلأ بما إنه عندي subject bird مفرد singular, so I should start my question with was. بدي أبدأ سؤالي ب was there. نزلت عمين بسأل السبجكت a bird. Was there a bird on the tree؟ وبحط question mark. Was there a bird on the tree؟ أنا أعطيتك إنه جوابك لازم يكون tick، إذن yes. So yes there was. Yes there was. Yes there was a bird on the tree. أوكي، بعيد عشان أكون سؤال بلشت ب was. طب ليش ما حطيت where؟ لأنه عندي البيرد مفرد. أوكي، was. بعدين القاعدة بتحكي لي بنزل there. بعدين ببلش أسأل عن مين بسأل أنا؟ a bird. Was there a bird؟ كملت سؤالي عادي on the tree. هلأ الأنسر yes there was. Okay, if you go to the second example here, you have three pencils. Okay, and on the desk your answer معطيكي أنا لازم يكون cross. هلأ الكروس بتعني no. Okay, طيب بما إنه عندي three pencils إذا plural جمع, so you should begin your question with was or where. Of course with where. بعدين بنزل there. Where there. إيش عندي؟ pencils. Were there pencils؟ بكمل سؤالي. On the desk. Were there pencils on the desk? Look at the answer. No. No, there weren't. سألت بوير بجاوب، سألت بواز بجاوب، ما بصير أحكي no there wasn't. ليش؟ لأنه أنا بسأل بوير عندي الفاعل جمع، فبحكي no there weren't. Okay sweeties, this is for today. Tomorrow إن شاء الله رح نحل تدريبات أكتر على السنتنس والجملة باستخدام الواز والوير مع حل تدريبات الورك بوك. Have a nice day sweeties.